Hello and welcome. My name is Afroz Malani. I am a team representative of Team Code Impact. Our team leader is Vinayak Nagali. Our problem statement is developer wastes 30 to 40% of their time manually debugging CI CD pipeline failure. Large team lose 100 plus hours per month to broken pipelines with average fixed times 45 to 2 hour per failure. So our solution is we developed a full stack SaaS platform named as AutoHeal 2.0 that automatically detects CI/CD failure, diagnoses root cause using AI, and generates pull request with verified fixes, all without human intervention. Our we use Google AI integration inside our project, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash, fallback AI root cause analysis, and surgical code fix generation deployed on Google Cloud Run. As you can see, developer waste 30 to 40% times. We reduce that time to 5% to 10% approx, and we also reduce 45 minutes timing with per average CI failure to uh, approx 5 minutes, and 100 plus we saved 100 plus hours of an engineer, and it doesn't cost anything. Now we can see what are the different kinds of opportunities are there and how different is it from existing ideas, including GitHub Copilot and Sync. So we are now we can see that GitHub Copilot offer the features like fully autonomous. GitHub Copilot is not fully autonomous, in manual prompt required. Sync is also not there, but our platform is a zero human input. Test on AI fixes, GitHub Copilot no, Sync no, but our AutoHeal 2.0 shadow branching concept is used by our AutoHeal 2.0. Then feature full code base context, GitHub Copilot no, Sync no. Our AutoHeal 2.0 uses RAG plus vector database for full code base context. Features again understanding CI logs, GitHub Copilot no, Sync no. Our AutoHeal 2.0 platform is a 10k plus line scan and better understanding of CI logs. Monthly cost, GitHub Copilot requires $90 per user. Sync is also required $25 per user. But our AutoHeal 2.0, it doesn't cost anything for free tier, and so on. How it solve the problem? That's the key point that we are solving here. AutoHeal monitors GitHub 24/7. When a pipeline fails, it reads the logs, finds the broken code using RAG, generates the fix, tests it silently, and submit a verified PR. All in a minute, not an hour. So now let's focusing on how the flow of our process and use case diagram. So whenever there is a CI failure, webhook detection, after that log extraction is done by our backend. If failure is classified by syntax, logics, and infrastructure, then we are using a RAG vector search in MongoDB. Then after we are understanding what was the root cause, and analysis. After analysis, we are generating a fix and surgical patch on where the error occurs. And the last one is shadow branching, a hidden branch that passes our CI and open a PR, and if fail it retries. Now the last one, it is the architecture diagram of our proposed solution. Now for front end we are using React, Framer Motion, and Tailwind CSS, and server send error in real time. For backend, we are using Node.js, GitHub Auth, JWT Auth, Webhook Handler, and for AI and RAG, we are using Grok Llama 3.370 million parameter and Gemini 2. Flash. As we have discussed earlier, all mini LM for vector embeddings and web tree setters for understanding our project structure. For database, we are using MongoDB Atlas, vector search, and aggregations as well. at the end. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Hello, welcome to AutoHeal, self-healing software pipeline, autonomous AI agent that detects, diagnoses, and repairs pipeline failure in real time with zero manual intervention, maximum developer productivity. So let's start with login. As we are using GitHub OAuth, so we are logging with GitHub. It takes few seconds. Now we are logged in. Now go to dashboard. Now here you can see our name. The different types of sections are there, like a total pipeline, successful fixes, active now, and success rate. Now here you can see here different kinds of repositories are there, and we just have to enable this repository so that we can see what are the failures, and we can um, apply solution on it. Now you can see here different kinds of pipelines in real time. Whenever there is a pipeline triggered or CI failure detected, at that time you can see here the pipeline is enabled here, and we can see. Now this is our settings. Now here we can see the different types of things are there, like security, profile name, and webhooks. Now here we can also see the raw execution timeline audit. Now this is our dashboard. So let's trigger a simple pipeline so that we can understand how it works. This is our simple sample file, contains GitHub workflows. Now we just triggering the pipeline using a mistake. Here we have a add function, and we are returning nothing, so definitely it will give us a wrong result. So that's now we have committed the change, and once it committed, now you can see after a few seconds our CI will fail. And yes, definitely now it's checking some conditions. Now CI failed. Now whenever CI failed, at that time it will trigger a webhook, and that webhook is inside our project. Now you can see here is a pipeline. Now here the different types of sections it completed, like CI failed, log process, AI fix running. Now AI fix is running, it analyzing the root cause, and after that it will create a PR, and after that we have to resolve the issue. Now you can see here error logs, and also you can see the branch name, commit, and fix branch created. Now this is our project's backend. Here we can see that what is happening in real time, and now we can see that PR created, fix branch pushed, and PR opened. Now we have resolved the issue. Now you can see at that time whenever we are testing the return, we are returning nothing, so it will understand what was the root cause, and then after it will apply the patch. So now you can see that we can also check that the repository is come with all checks have completed or not. So we are using shadow branching concept, and due to that we are applying a correct pull requests. Now all set, we just have to confirm that, review and approve. Once we review it and approve, it will merge with our base branch. Now all the things are completed. Now we can also see here in dashboard total 5 pipelines and successful fixes, and it will side by side show the success rate. Now the code is committed, and it branches, it merge with the main branch, and that's it, our solution. Thank you so much. At the end, thank you so much from our team Code Impact for your patience listening.